Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves Weekly Forex Forecast. We Trade Waves. Guys, I really hope all of you made money last week. Market was moving as expected. As you can see here, this is euro dollar. Let me just put the drawings again. We were expecting market to fall, right? To break down under this low, and then after that, market to start pushing to the upside. Why this break, Alan? This is based on the fundamental analysis as well and on technicals. So this is a downtrend, as most of you can see and know. After this drop, we're expecting market to give us a corrective structure, which what the market has done here. And after that, one more fall before the next up move. Why this break, Alan? Technically, because like I said, this is a downtrend. And at the same time, under these two lows, we were having liquidity. Okay, so we've got this drop. A lot of our traders took this sell and made money, and some of them as well took the buy, and now they are in profits. Alan, any proof for this forecast? Of course. If I go to our YouTube channel here, by the way, guys, all of you who missed last week's forecast or last week's video, make sure to go to our YouTube channel and watch it. Okay, this one. We have actually shown you the proof, how we made money and if we are really making money from trading. And the proof is here. I'll put the link in the description under this video and in the first comment as well for all of you. Okay, so in regards to euro dollar forecast, this was actually last week. As you can see, this is 6 days ago. And look at this one. We said market will break to the downside, and this is what the market actually has done. If I go back to euro dollar, this was the corrective structure here. One push up, we've got it here, and then this down wave. Okay. After this down wave, we've got this up move. And by the way, guys, before I continue, what's next? Also, last week we've done, or the week before, T actually did a poll in one of the Sunday sessions. It was a few weeks ago. So I'll show you now the results just as more proofs, right? So this is the result for the poll. We set our members, guys, are you making more than 2% in 1 week or like more than 8% per month? And this was the poll just for January, by the way, okay? And as you can see, more than 60% are making more than 8% per month profit. These are actually the members that joined at the start of the session, and of course more members were joining later. But look at this, 60% are making more than 8% per month trading actually the markets based on weighted waves concept, okay? And the 40% are actually were the traders who were not trading during January or those who didn't make that much, okay? This guy's more proofs for you, and every single week we'll show you something new, okay? Because weighted waves concept is working. It's number one. We are number one in this industry, and most of you know. And at the same time, before I show you what's next for your door, let me show you quickly what was happening in Slack in the past few weeks, all right? So if I open the Slack, this is our private group community. It's global community, by the way. We have people from more than 180 countries. And look at this. This was on Sunday, last Sunday. Jama, he actually passed 2 funded challenges. 2, not only one, guys, 2. Okay. So congrats, Jama. You have done a great job, and you deserve it, because I know like you're working hard to achieve these ones, and well done. And at the same time, if I go to the trade setups, just to show you more proofs, guys, and more structures, what our members are sharing, what our seniors are sharing, along with the daily session that they are doing. Look at this one. This was actually the gold setup. Once I go to gold, you will see the chart actually moved exactly as expected here to the upside. So a lot of our members were taking the buy in gold to the upside after this drop. Okay, so once I go to gold, I explain you this one, but remember this, you can actually go back to this one later. Okay, if I go to this channel as well, which is the Forex, you see how many members actually are making money as well. So this is Kamal. He's making actually profits. And if I scroll up, I believe we have a lot more, but I'll not show all the chat, guys, because we have some, I would say, private things as well shared. So this is again Kunal. He's making profits as well here. So again, I showed you the setups, I showed you the profits, I showed you the poll, I showed you actually Jama passing challenges, and it's not only Jama. We have a lot of members are passing challenges on a weekly or monthly basis. Okay, guys. So again, all the links will be in the description under this video and in the first comment as well. All of you are watching this video, make sure, guys, to check the first comment just to share with you more things. Now, back to the charts. Euro dollar for this one. Alan, this was perfect. Market actually have gone to the downside. What after this drop? We've got this up wave, corrective structure up. What I'm expecting next for euro dollar, guys, is a corrective structure and one more push up. This is what I can see based on the current market structure and based on the current market condition. Okay, so personally, I'm expecting market to give me a corrective structure to the downside and then one more push up. Alan, what if market decide to go to the downside once more? What will happen here? I'm warning you in advance. If this happens, guys, we will be looking for the buy setups only, which means any sell setup from the current level, I will ignore personally. Even if market will go to the downside to break this low, I'll be looking for the buy setups only. Regarding the levels, most of you know that the levels will be shared during the Sunday session by T. Alright guys, I hope this is clear for your dollar. If you took this sell, you must have made money. And if you are following us, you must be already in the buy and in profits. If not, those of you are not in yet, I just explain you what we're expecting next. Pound dollar for this one, market actually reacted from here. This was a zone, this was a buy zone. We have put it like where the market was here. Okay, so why this zone, Alan? Because this was a top, we've got a drop, corrective structure, drop, corrective structure, and then a drop. This is, guys, a 5 waves corrective structure. Regardless of how you see it here, how you see it here, this is a 5 waves corrective structure. And this zone is based on the continuation, trend continuation pattern, and it's based on the smart money concept as well. Okay, so we've got this fall. Some of our traders took this sell, by the way, and made a lot of money trading this drop, and some of them took this buy and made money trading this up wave. Now, after this up move, we've got this up wave, corrective structure up, and then this drop after, and now market started to push up again from exactly this zone. Okay, so what's next, Alan? This is also great. We have made money trading this up wave or this drop, regardless. What's next now? This is a tricky structure, guys. Okay, so to be clear here, you must have made money trading this drop, this up wave, and this drop as well. If not, this is a tricky structure, which means we have a 50-50 probability chance now for market to give us a corrective structure on push up or a drop before the next up wave. Now, to give you my bias, in all the cases, I'm biased to the upside, which means I'm looking for the buy setups for pound dollar. Now, what to expect from the market if market will break down once more, which is a possibility, okay? If market will break down once more, I'm looking for the buy setups here. And if market gives me a corrective structure, which will be the better scenario, I'm looking for the buy setups. Make sense? In all the cases, I'm looking for the buy setups for pound dollar. Exactly, guys. What I'm expecting personally, I'm expecting market to give me on push up, a corrective structure, and then up again. This is what I can see market will do next, but in terms of probabilities, this is 50-50 probability chance for me for now. Regarding the levels, like I said, will be shared by T during the Sunday session. All of you guys who don't know about our service, about our concept, about what we teach, what we provide, the details are on our website. You go to www.weightedwaves.com. You will find all the details there. Again, the link is in the description under this video. And guys, if you are not joining, you are missing a lot. Okay? Gold for this one, I think the bigger picture is clear. I explained it more than once. Just for those of you who are new to Weekly Forex channel, let me go to the daily chart just to show you some of the structures. I don't want to make it complex for you, but I think it's clear. Okay, so I'm repeating, as all of you are new to Weekly Forex channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update. So anytime we post any video, anything on YouTube or even on TradingView, you will get a notification. So follow us on YouTube and on TradingView as well, and on all our social media platforms. Gold, this is the daily chart. This was an impulsive wave, pullback, up. This is a corrective structure here from this level to this level. It's a corrective structure. After that, we've got this up wave. I know those of you might be new, but we forecasted this up wave, guys, even before the war. Okay, so we set our numbers. Market will be falling. I'm pretty sure a lot of you who are following us, you remember this. And if yes, please let me know in the comment section, because some of the new members might be reading the comments, guys. Okay, so we set our numbers. Market will be falling here without breaking 1800 level, and then after that it'll push to the upside. So from here, from this level, we said market will be falling, and then it'll push back up. All of this was before the war that's happening now between Israel and Hamas. So after this up wave, we've got a corrective structure. This is called an expanding flap, and then this up wave to make the up move. And this zone, anyway, it was marked before this push up. Okay, weighted average, they know that, and all of you were following us since the past few months, you know that. Now I'll go back to the 4 hours. After market tapping this high, this liquidity, just let me hide the drawings. After market made this wick to the upside and then this drop, we've got this up wave, drop, corrective structure, and drop. Now, for us, this is a complete structure, guys. Okay, so we've got this drop here. This is an internal corrective structure in the middle. It's called expanding flat, and then this down wave. This is a wave of its own, by the way. Okay, so this is one wave. It's three-wave structure. This has nothing to do with the 5 motive waves. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's this an impulsive wave, and it's a three-wave structure, guys. Okay, that's the difference between weighted waves and Elliott waves, or anybody who teach you wave analysis. Anyway. After this up, market gave us this up wave, corrective structure up. This is a regular flat. After the completion of this regular flat, we've got this drop and market broke this low. We're waiting for market to break down and take the liquidity under this low. And after this drop, we said 1990. This level was mentioned by T during the last Sunday session. And from this level, you should have actually took a buy. If not, all of you are in the buy. Make sure, guys, to manage your trades and take partial profits. After this up wave, market gave us a structure, gave us a setup. And this is the setup I was showing you. If I go to the 1 hour, this is the setup that I was showing you that was shared during inside the Slack. And this was the structure here for this up wave. If I go back to Slack just to show you what you are missing, guys, if you are not subscribing or joining weighted waves, look at this. This is a trade setup shared by one of our seniors. Okay, so this was the setup here, and this is the move. If you just traded this down up wave, guys, with the, I would say, calculated risk to reward or using one of our strategies, you should have made money. Okay, now back to the 4 hours again. Alan, this was perfect. Like, the structure is clear. Please, what's next? After this drop, like I said, everything was calculated to the pip, every single move. After this up wave, now we'll be waiting for the market to give us a corrective structure before the next up wave. For me personally, this structure is completed. Okay, guys? Now, this wave, it can extend from here. What do you mean by that, Alan? We might get one more fall to break this low once more before the next up wave. In all the cases, for me personally, I'm looking for the buy setups for gold. We have actually made money trading the up wave. Some of us are already in the buy. We are in profits. But now all what I'm explaining is for those who are not in and what's next. Make sense, guys? So for this one, in all the cases, I'm looking for the buy setups from this level or from this level here. If market will give me one more push down, I'm looking for the buy setups only. Any sell setup from current levels, I will ignore it. Even if I'm scalping gold, I'll not look for any sell setup. All right, guys, is that clear? Regarding gold, now regarding the levels, will this be one of our trades of the week or not? All of this will be shared in detail during the Sunday session that will be conducted by T tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time. And guys, those of you who are missing these sessions, I'm telling you, you are missing a lot because these sessions are gold. We start with the fundamental analysis, geopolitics, and this part itself is gold. All the details are on our website. The XY for this one, market was pushing to the upside, gave us a corrective structure up, expanding flat up, corrective structure here up, and corrective structure here up. Oh my God, Alan, what is this one? Where is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Where is the ABC? We do not, look guys, we do not trade labels, okay? So labels, we use them, but we use them just as a roadmap. This is a clear uptrend, which means every time market will give you a corrective structure, you go for the buy until the uptrend finish. And the point is, if you study wave analysis, if you study weighted waves, wave analysis concept, you will know where the trend is about to end and how to ride the next trend. That's the main point, guys, okay? So how to follow the trend and how to trade actually the corrections, how to trade the impulsive structures, and how to trade every single move. That's the power, guys, of knowledge, okay? And that's why you can see we are making money, our members are making money. A lot of our weighted waivers are also making money. I showed you the proof inside the poll a few minutes ago. And also I showed you a few screenshots from the Slack. And this, guys, on a weekly basis. This was happening at weighted waves on a weekly basis, okay? So after this corrective structure, this was a corrective structure here. We've got this push up, and then after that, market started to fall. Alan, what's next here? For the XY, guys, for dollar, I'm expecting market to give me a corrective structure and one more fall. This is, guys, for now, okay? This is based on the current market structure, on the current market condition. This is 60% probability chance, even 70% for now. Why I'm mentioning that? Because I don't want you guys to go blindly and sell without actually knowing what you are doing or over-risking or over-trading, because they can still push the market to the upside once more before the drop, okay? This up wave is just, I would say, 30% chance for now, but this possibility exists. And that's why I'm saying for DXY, in all the cases, I'm looking for the sell setups. Even from here, or if market will push up to break this top once more, sell setup will be coming, okay? And all of you remember or should remember 105 level, okay? So market just barely tapped 105 and you've got this trap. In all the cases, for me, I'm biased to the downside for the dollar. Which level, which structure to trade, which pattern, this is what we'll do internally at weighted waves. Aussie dollar for this one, this was like all the other majors. You've got this up wave and then this trap. This was a complete structure. One more fall and the market started to push up without actually tapping the buy zone. Now, like I was saying also previously, just we need market to break this low and then it can push to the upside. This is what market have done. So for this one, after this trap, we start to go to the upside. If you took this sell, you should have made money. If you took this buy, you must be now in profits. Now, those of you who are not in, you have to wait. Wait for what? You have to wait for market to give you a corrective structure before the next up wave. If you want to trade this down wave, it's up to you. You can go for it. If you want to scalp this to downside, you can do it. Even we can trade this one if we see a great setup, but the best trade will be to the upside, which means like the next impulsive structure, the next impulsive move, which is this one, okay? Dollar Swiss, for this one, this was one of our trades of the week to the downside. So market went to the upside from here and came back down to the same level. Now I'm expecting market to correct for one push down. This is the trade and this is the move that I'll be looking for. So for Dollar Swiss, I'm expecting market to fall and I'll be trading the sell setups only. USOIL, by the way guys, all of you are watching, make sure to give us thumbs up and leave a comment and keep watching till the end. Even if you can watch this video from more than one device, this will help actually YouTube algo to share this forecast to more traders, okay? And remember, this is the only way, or like this is the exact way you found us, okay? Someone before you was liking, commenting, sharing, and watching till the end, or watching from more than one device. If you can do that as well, this will be appreciated, and you might be helping someone who really needs to see this, okay? So, USOIL for this one, from this level, we said market will be falling. I'll show you a proof shortly. And from this level, we said market will be pushing to the upside. And from here, we knew all of this in advance. Alan, how is that? Guys, this is the power of knowledge, okay? I'll give you an example. I'll give you one of the explanations. So this might be actually helpful for some of you. And I really hope you will learn something new once I explain you this. In terms of structures, in terms of wave analysis, once you see market giving you one push up, sharp, one sharp down wave, and then a corrective structure, this will be a complex structure here. So sharp up wave, sharp drop, this means a complex structure. So what I mean by that, market will give us either a running flat or an expanding flat. So this way, if we have expected this and we have forecasted this more than once here on our YouTube channel, and a lot of you should remember that from dollar yen, if you remember, once I go to dollar yen, I'll try to show you this again. But what is here, guys, that is the same regarding this structure here. We have this sharp up wave, this sharp drop, and this corrective structure in the middle, okay? So from here, we knew that market will give us one push up, and then after this up wave, we need to get one more drop, which is this one here, and then after this drop, market has to give us this up wave. Alan, this is complex. What you are trying to say here? Guys, market moves in waves. Why this is working? Because we are understanding or we are studying the fractal nature of the market and the mass psychology of all market participants. So wave analysis is understanding the mass psychology of all market participants. Why this is working? Because everything is plotted on the charts in front of you. This is the reality. Any indicator, anything you put, any label, any 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any ABC, any support and resistance, anything you name it, it will be something that is in your mind, okay? But the reality is the charts. If you know how to read the charts correctly, this is what we teach you. If you join us, you'll be able to know where the market will be going next with a high probability chance move. Why high probability chance, Alan? Because we are not controlling the market. No one can. And as a Forex trader, as an investor, you have to think in probabilities because you have to have a probabilistic mindset. You get me, guys? This is what we teach you. And next week on Wednesday, I'll conduct actually on Wednesday at 7 p.m. UK time. It will be recorded anyway. I'll conduct the monthly Q&A session for weighted waivers for February. Okay, so what I'll explain during this one, I'll explain some of the trades, how you can take them and make more than 10 to 12 to 1 in one single trade, and I'll focus on psychology. All of us know that psychology is a big part. It's 80%, by the way, okay? So trading is 20% technicals, knowledge, and 80% psychology. But the point is, if you don't master that 20%, psychology has no sense. You get me, guys? That's why you have to master everything in order to become independent, successful trader. And that's exactly what we teach you guys step by step inside Weighted Waves. So those of you are interested, you join us, guys. This is actually the details about WTW membership. It's the only solution you need. And like I said, we are #1 in this industry. All the proofs are on our website and on our YouTube channel. All right, guys, back to the charts and back to US oil. For this one, we've got this up wave. We've got this trap up, corrective structure up, this trap, and after this trap, market started to push up. Every single wave here was expected and was forecasted. Why I'm mentioning that? Because I'll show you the proof now. This wave, we have forecasted it before this move. Look at this one. If I go to this one here, this was the move and this was the forecast 2 weeks ago, okay? We said US oil will be falling to the downside from the top, okay? And even with this trap, guys, you can make more than 12 to 1 in one single trade executing one of our special strategies. So back to US oil, this was the move, okay? 2 weeks ago, we forecasted this drop. Market was moving as expected. Now, after this fall, we said market will push to the upside. And if I go back here, from this level, we said market will push to the upside, right? Back to the charts, from this level, market started to push up. So 1, 2, 3 waves in advance, and all of this, we know it. We knew it actually even before market made all these moves. Okay, guys? So for this one, we've got this up wave, corrective structure up, pull back up, up, and now what I'm expecting next, corrective structure up again. So for US oil, I'm still expecting market to push up. If you're in the buy, you must have made money. If you took this sell, you must have made money. And now, if you want to take this buy, you have to be very careful because we can get a corrective structure, one push up, and the market will start to correct or to pull back. So this up wave, you have to be very careful with it. I'm still expecting market to push up, but this forecast is for just traders who are in from here, or from here. To take new trades, again, you have to know how to trade in order to take these trades and make money. All right, guys, I hope this is clear. And if you remember these forecasts, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. By the way, this is the structure in the middle. EURUSD, for this one, we've got this up wave, corrective structure up, and the market started to pull back. What's next? This is a complex structure. I'll be actually leaving EURUSD for the next few weeks until market gives me a clear structure. But if I want to trade EURUSD, I'll wait for market to give me a corrective structure, one more fall, and then this will be the trade if I get a corrective structure here. Other than that, I'll leave EURUSD and I'll trade other pairs. Dorian, for this one, back to the fractal ratio of the market. If you remember correctly, I believe from here, from this level, okay? We said market will push to the upside, give us a drop, up, corrective structure, drop, and then up again. Some of you might be forgetting this one, but I'm pretty sure a lot of you are following us. You should remember this forecast, and you should remember actually this pattern, okay? 3 or 4 waves in advance before this up move. If you remember this one, let us know in the comment section, guys, because this was forecasted exactly in this time zone here, in this one, okay? Now, back to what's happening at the moment. This is the analysis of dollar yen, by the way. And from here, we forecasted market to drop. We've got this drop, okay? Now, if I zoom in again, from this level, weighted averages, you should remember 150 level. I was mentioning this a lot, and this level was mentioning initially during one of our Sunday sessions from here. T was mentioning this level from exactly this point. That market will be going to the upside to hit 150. And this actually the level here. Okay, now we've got a corrective structure. This was 5 waves corrective structure, and then this up move. Perfect. Corrective structure up, and now anytime dollar yen can start to fall. We have nothing in terms of fundamentals at the moment, but BOJ might intervene anytime now. So for that, any push up, it will be just a short-term move. If market will push to the upside, I'm not expecting this one to move a lot. Okay. So in all the cases, don't take this as signal. Do not over-risk, do not overtrade, do not jump in. You have to know how to trade correctly before, guys, you risk your money. Okay, why I'm warning you about that? Because I don't want you to jump in, put stop loss above this top or above this top or above this top, and just like overtrade in this one. Okay, so what we are sharing is just, guys, our point of view. Regardless, want to push up here before the next drop. This is the wave and this is the move that I'm looking for. This up wave is not needed for this structure, by the way. Anytime market can start to fall, and all the yen pairs are about to fall. Okay, so this is the move, this is the wave that we'll be trading, and we don't know when this might come, and this can be all the way then to break this low as well. So for dollar yen, I'll be focusing on the sell setups only. Any buy setup from current levels I'll ignore, and also we'll cover this one during the Sunday session in detail with the levels, where to enter, how to enter, why to enter, and how to manage the trade as well. Bitcoin, for this one, this was amazing as usual. I explained this more than once in the past few videos. Those of you are new, please go back and watch our previous video. Okay, so to not share this one on every session, for this one we're expecting market to break these lows, touch this buy zone, exactly this one, and then push back up. After this up, we've got a corrective structure, up again, pull back up, pull back up. This was crazy. So if you are following us and you just invested any amount in Bitcoin from this level, this is now 35% profits, which is crazy. I'm just talking about investment, guys, which means like buying without any leverage, just like buying Bitcoin, okay, or investing in Bitcoin. So again, this was crazy. This was perfect. What's next? Corrective structure, want to push up. Again, those of you guys who remember this forecast, please give us thumbs up and let us know in the comment section. This is just for those who are new to Weighted Waves and those who are watching the video for the first time. And if that's the case, I suggest you guys to go to our YouTube channel, go to our website and watch everything, read everything in it, and then hope to see you inside the group. It's just for you guys to learn how to trade correctly and to make money. It's an opportunity for you. Pound yen, for this one, it's like all the other yen pairs. Anytime market will start to fall. Personally, I'm looking for the sell setups, and again, this one, it will be falling anytime, and it will be soon, and this will be a big drop. This is the wave, and this is the move that I'm focusing on for pound yen. And this drop, it might be based on BOJ intervention, that they will be doing this one. Like I said, I'm expecting them to do something very soon in the next coming days or in the next coming weeks. In all the cases, for me, pound yen is a sell. Euro New Zealand, for this one, market gave us a corrective structure. It was a complete structure. We've got this up wave, market just following the move step by step. We've got a drop, expanding flat, perfect one, and then a drop. What's next? I'll be looking for the buy setups for Euro New Zealand. Personally, any buy setup I get, I'll go for it, and this will be the move that I'll be looking for. And this wave, it can go all the way up to break this top once more. Okay, so Euro New Zealand, it's a buy to me. I'll be waiting for the buy setups to go for the buy. US30, a lot of you trade this one. So we've got this up, and we were saying to you guys, we still expect market to push up, and we've got this up wave, right? Now, the structure for US30, guys, weighted waves, you know that the structure is completed. Just I will draw this for you so you'll know what I'm talking about for weighted waivers. The structure is completed here, which means anytime market can fall, and it will be a big drop as well. So I'm expecting US30 to have a big drop very soon. Now, if market go up to touch 39K levels, this is still a possibility, okay? We still need here a corrective structure before this up wave. If this happens, no problem. We'll be selling from 39K again to the downside. Do not put sell limits. Do not jump in. We will wait for our sell setups from this level, and we'll take any sell setup from current levels as well. So these are the two scenarios. Any buy setup for US30 will ignore it, and now market will be ready for a big fall, and again it will be very soon, like the yen pairs. Okay, guys. So for that, I hope, guys, this is clear. I hope you learned something new. And those of you who are serious, guys, about trading, do not forget to join us. WTW membership is the only solution you need. It's your opportunity to go join us, learn how to trade correctly before you waste your money. I wish you guys a successful trading week. See all of you next Saturday. Thank you very much.